Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can perform filtering in Excel. So you may be provided data during the course of your analysis, and you want to filter based on a specific criteria. This is when the feature for filtering will be useful. And it is important to note that your data that you want to filter must have headings. This makes it easier for you to be able to filter. So we are going to see how we can do the normal easy way of filtering as well as the advanced filtering in this very demonstration. So let's see the first, which is the normal kind of filtering. So to be able to perform this, here we have our data. I can just click on any part of this data and then select the Home tab. Then under my editing, I will select filter. So you can now see that I have these down arrows. From here, I can just choose any part of the column and select based on the criteria. So in this very demonstration, I want to select the IT and finance department specifically. So I will be using this A column. So I will click on this and then deselect the others. So I will deselect HR and I'll also deselect marketing and sales. Then click on OK. So you can see I now have only the IT department as well as the finance department. Now, another thing is if I want to apply multiple criteria. So to do this, I will now use this advanced feature. So if I click on this sheet, what I want to do here now is to be able to filter based on department. And the department I want to filter by is the IT department as well as the finance department. Then I want for my IT department that the salary will be greater than 80. So the only employee that should be returned for the IT department should be the employee that earns above $80,000. So what I will do now is instead of this Home tab, I'll be using the Data tab. So I'll click on this Data tab, then come to this Advanced. Here where I have Advanced, I will click on it and then filter the list in place, which means we are going to filter here. Now the list range that we want is the range that we want to filter, which is this. So what I will do is just select this. Okay. And then for the criteria range, I want to select the criteria that I've created. And this should also include the headers, as this department, employee, and the salary. So I will just select this and then enter. Then just click on OK. So you can see what we have here. We have been able to get it filtered. The IT department is being returned, but only for the one that is greater than $80,000. While we also have the finance and the finance department returned, though these ones now we are not given the criterion for greater than $80,000. That's why we still have less than that here. And that's just what I want to demonstrate in this video. I hope you were able to find this video helpful. Please, if you were, kindly like the video, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.